lovely day out here.
Pretty nice out. It's windy. What do you want to go do?
Let's go hike the Hollywood sign. Let's go climb it. Let's go sit on the H.
We're gonna go hike to the Hollywood sign. We're here in West Hollywood. A lot of people don't realize this, but one of the most important things in life is You're smoking hot.
No, you didn't say konnichiwa?
No, I didn't say konnichiwa.
The wild things run free. You'll be sound asleep, and wherever they are, they must be somewhere out there wishing. Don't you think they must be wishing on the same bright star?
This is the Bronson Parking Area, which is the beginning of the trail, the one that we're doing.
So which one do we go to?
Probably the longer one.
Yeah.
They're both that way though, so we'll figure it out.
I smell weed.
Yeah, all of LA smells like weed. The bus got stuck.
He doesn't want to go away, and he say we have to go there.
Whoops.
Keep on going straight. We're not going to make a left at Holly Ridge. If you want to go behind the sign, you have to go to Mount Lee.
Got it.
All right.
Yeah.
There's where we're going. Very talented hiker. Hope everyone's taking notes.
Where it slopes and where it
Sandstorm. Camera's getting so dusty. Whoa! Woo! That one was bad. It's coming in waves.
Have your hand.
You're like Tomb Raider.
We would have been up there faster if we just walked.
That's not true. Movies. Alright, so we f***ed up. Kind of went the wrong way, but there's still a trail here, even though it's sketchy. I guess that's what happens when you take what's called a shortcut. Not recommend going this way. Don't take this way to the sign.
we'll know exactly where it ends, where it slopes and where it bends.
That's what we call the less adventurous trail. There's the road.
Oh,
Down the road.
how do we get over there?
So glad we have trash to make sure we're on course. Don't ever hike with this bag.
We made it.
You would never know that this trail goes to that tower. If you like trails like that, you gotta go to that tower over there. That's where we just came from. If I hear in the news later that some kid from Georgia fell off this mountain, I'm gonna feel awful.
I know.
Hey, we made it to the Hollywood sign.
You can climb up other peaks here too.
So cool. Oh, it's this way? You guys know the sign was up here?
Yeah, so we hiked here.
I think he's joking.
We're at the sign. We made it. We got downtown Los Angeles, the Griffith Observatory, downtown Santa Monica. You can see all the way to LAX, Burbank, and the valley and the airport. I mean, you can see everything from up here. This would be an incredible sunset. There's a lesson to be learned here. I really want to get some shots with a drone, but it's on the border of being a little too windy, and it's just not worth it. You know, I hiked all the way up here with the drone. I would be getting some really cool shots right now, but I'm gonna play it safe and just not do it. We're also next to a Class C airspace. I think it is legal to fly here, but again, I'm just not gonna take the risk. You ready to go back down?
Yeah, let's do it.
We're in more of like residential neighborhood now. I don't know if I've ever wanted a coffee as bad as I do right now. This roof's got some solar panels. We went that way. Estamos agradecidos para su ayuda.
Oh, not a problem. Thank you.
I got your lens cap.
This place is amazing.
By your side, where fields of flowers bloom in the sunshine.
And we're back to the room. And I want to throw everything that I own away. Creeping. About to go to dinner to a really cool sushi place. It's called Sugarfish. Never been there. It's in Beverly Hills. And my good friend Will and his other half Allie will be joining us.
I feel a lot more cozy tonight.
He's Sugarfish.
I feel a bit sunburnt and a bit exhausted.
What did you think of that sushi place?
It was delicious.
Yeah?
Yes.
Where do you want to go?
To the moon.
You want to get married?
Let's go get married.
By your side, where fields of flowers bloom in your sunshine. And when we kiss, it's bliss. Strawberry afternoons. Strawberry afternoons.
History. Have a good night.